Hey friends, it's Suzanne Mosley with Usborne Books More. You can find me on Facebook at Suzanne Shares. You can find me on YouTube at the same spot. Dinosaurs! The #1 requested topic to find books for when I'm in Usborne Books More parties is dinosaurs. Dinosaurs, hands down. So I'm going to go very quickly through the majority of our dinosaur books. This is not all of them, but I wanted to show you some of my favorites. So I'm going to start with, we're going to start with young and move up. Actually, let me start with this one. Okay, this is not a dinosaur. Hey, but we have in the series, that's not my dinosaur. Sorry, I don't have it right now, but I thought I'd show you anyway. So this series, there's texture on every page. It's perfect for our youngest readers. It's a board book. It is almost indestructible. The pages are super, super thick, so great for younger ones. This is great for younger ones, but I would recommend it as a book you read to them, not let them have independently, because yes, they can destroy the pop-ups, but it's very cool, and this is my favorite page. Hold on, we're T-Rex at the back with his mouth. Oh, roar! It's Pop-Up Dinosaurs book, okay? If they need some fun, factual information, but they're a little young, my very first dinosaurs book is where I typically start with. So it gives them basic facts about dinosaurs, their names, what they like to eat, what they did, and there are board pages, and that's really important for those younger ages because if they're paper, they'll rip them. I also love some activity ones for younger ones. We have a new Noisy Dinosaurs. They sound just like what we think dinosaurs might have sounded like. Beware, it's a little spooky. Not really, but might be spooky for the parents. No, it's a great one. I love our Noisy series. This is another great one, the Little Wipe Clean, perfect for backpack or diaper bag. It is copy and trace and copy. Copy and trace, because you learn how to trace it here, and then on the bigger one on the other side of the page you fill in the pieces that are missing. So fabulous for a quiet activity, great to carry along in your backpack, to have a quiet activity for kids while you're on the go. I'm also in love with our book and jigsaw puzzle series. This is $15. You get a puzzle and a book. This is one of our 100-piece ones. We have 30-piece, 100-piece, 200-piece, 300-piece, and different puzzles. But this is the dinosaur one. It also comes with this really cool book, which is the Dinosaur Picture Puzzle Book, that you can also buy individually, but as a hardback book, it's $15, or you can get the paperback version and a 100-piece puzzle for the same price. So I really love that one as well. If you also need facts, again, for a little bit older, I love our Big Book of Dinosaurs book. I love this series because the pages fold out. They give children a good idea and good concept of how big the dinosaurs were. Whoops, tops it off, hold it, right side up. Great for nonfiction. We have this in so many different titles, but the dinosaur one is always a top seller for me. I love Life-Size Dinosaurs. Brand new title. Again, the concept is to show kids life-size pictures of what they think, of how big they think the dinosaurs were. This is one of the plates. Here's my face. There's a Stegosaurus's plate from his back. That gives you an idea of how big they think those were. And then again, it's always T-Rex. T-Rex is always my favorite. If you go to the back, incredible. Look how big his mouth, they think his mouth was. Ugh. So that is Life-Size Dinosaurs. We also have Dinosaurs Shine a Light, which is one of our flashlight books. You show, you read it to your kids, you shine a flashlight behind it, and what is on the back shines through the page. It's perfect for bedtime. This, again, is also one of my top sellers, great nonfiction one. And then these are brand new. So you think you know about Stegosaurus, Triceratops, T-Rex, or Velociraptor. These are chapter books written by Dr. Ben Gerard. They are chapter books. He is a paleontologist, so it's a great nonfiction chapter book-esque type series for some of our older ones. And then if you also, just a few, I don't have with me, but we have a step-by-step drawing dinosaurs. So it's the same concept here where they have each step shown to draw dinosaurs. We also have Build Your Own Dinosaurs, which is a sticker book where the stickers come in the back or the middle and they assemble it on the dinosaur pages here. And then finally, totally, we're going so fast. Our last activity book I wanted to show you is our new Origami Dinosaurs. It comes with a paper that you'll need to make these. These are a few my son has made in here. And it comes with this book, which is stellar because it gives step-by-step instructions of how to do each one. So there's no guesswork. It's all right here. So I hope you enjoyed that as we looked at different dinosaur books. And again, there's so many more on our website, but these are some of my favorites that I wanted to share with you today. Thanks so much, friends. If you need any of them, Suzanne shares usbornebooks.com. Thanks.